Next, we want to graph ax plus by is equal to c, where our c is equal to 0. So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out some points here. First things first, let's set our x equal to 0 and figure out what our y is going to be equal to. So setting our x is equal to 0 using our original equation, we'll have a 0 plus 4y is equal to 0. So in that case, y has to be equal to 0 as well. So one of our points is 0, 0, and we can go ahead and plot that on our graph here. Alright, so let's figure out another point that we can put on our line. Let's say, for example, that x is equal to 4. What's y going to be equal to? So if we just say that x is equal to 4, let's solve for y. This will give us 12 plus 4y is equal to 0. Subtract your 12. And we're left with 4y is equal to negative 12 or negative 3. So our x value that we picked was 4, and our y value that we got as a result was negative 3. And you could pick another value and see what you get from your equation, but this is just the points that we picked. So let's go ahead and count off 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go down negative 3. 1, 2, 3, and plot your point and connect your line. Now that we have our line, we can fill in our domain and our range. So again, our domain is the x values that we take on. Notice how we're going to keep continuing from negative infinity all the way to positive infinity for our domain, and same thing with our range. So we'll have negative infinity to positive infinity for both our domain and range.